Okay, in the workshop today, an update on the Hydroswift. So about a week of cleaning, grinding, cleaning, patching. I think we've got most everything on the initial holes. It's ugly, but this is where we start. So as of today, everything is plugged or repaired, at least puttied, patched over the holes that we found that we wanted to get rid of. So, oh, I forgot those two over there. We may keep that over there then. We'll see. A lot of these fasteners and cleats and stuff that were on the boat were not stainless, and they're just screwed in with sheet metal screws, which will never hold. So if that's not strong, we'll fix that. And looks pretty good. Not as bad as I thought. Just a lot of little holes. Just want to get them out. If we're going to do a color change, it's a really good time to get these holes handled. And we also did a video. This is the transom area. It's ugly, but it's going to look nice. It's always ugly before the beauty. Today we did a patch of the light mast in the back. It taken a beating like most of them have. Did a little video on that. We're going to do 3 parts to this. It'll be the initial hole repair, the prepping, and then the finishing on that. So just for folks that want to know how that's done. As you can see, we did all these holes that were down the side and back here. Now this back section, I think we're going to do a little 1/4-inch piece of wood and foam and material. I think we're going to do a white vinyl panel to put here, so it'll look nice. It'll cover up a lot of that ugliness. We're going to do I might still have some turquoise material. If we do, we'll use it. Otherwise, we'll use the white. But we'll do a panel underneath there too, and get that looking nice. And this is a little update on it. That's the biggest hole we had to fix, really, so it's not that big a deal. We got these in the back. Now those holes you see there are from the back side, and those holes over there are where the emblems go, so we don't want to plug those off. You can easily spend probably 100 hours on this. I think we probably have maybe 15 hours, maybe 20 hours, somewhere between 15 and 20 hours just in this part here. Not real bad, so I'm not really worried about the time we're in this. Most of it is weather, so we have another day of rain. That's pretty good for putting any kind of putty down. I'd like to see the humidity a little bit lower, but we're okay. We're at 60 degrees and about 70%. I'd like to see it, 40, but that's okay. We mixed the putty and the fiberglass resin hot, which means we added a lot of the hardener in, a little bit more hardener than it's asked for. That makes it hot, the temperature, for it to cure and outgas. So I don't think we're going to have a problem. This stuff here is 24 hours old. That's ready to be sanded. So our plan is now to give this about 24 hours, 24 to 36 hours to set up. By then I think the weather's going to be good enough for us to roll this outside and hit it with the sander. So next video will be the first initial sanding and evaluation of the condition of the repairs.